We have here the Let's Go Ride 24-volt dump truck off Amazon. I have to say this thing is very strong. There's no motors on the front, but there are motors on all 4 tires on the back, which is very nice. Going up the hill, there's the motors. They're not assembled when you get it. You have to assemble it. Comes with a sticker kit you have to install. And the little dashboard you can plug a USB into and play music. Little steering wheel. You turn it on by pressing this button. The batteries are located underneath here. Cool little startup sound. It comes with this nice little remote. Easy to use, 3 speeds on the remote. Just push forward, and it goes. You can turn. Very handy for young kids who are not ready to drive yet. 3 speeds. Slow it down speed. Speed 1. Speed 2. And speed 3. This thing is pretty powerful and pretty fun. My kids like it. The kids' age range is around, I would say, 3 to 6 maybe. It has 2 speeds, high and low, and forward and reverse. And a fun feature my kids love about this is the dumping bed. Push this and the horn works. You can get this on Amazon. I think it's about $300, so I'll have the link listed. It came in pretty quick in a few days, faster than expected. You have to assemble it yourself, but it comes with instructions, pretty easy. There are doors that open, and they do shut and latch. Comes with seat belts. And it has front LED lights. Pretty bright in the nighttime. And my kids are ready to ride, but check out the link. Go to Amazon. This thing's pretty fun to drive and put together. Hope you enjoy.